Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by making safety and support your priority. Do not stop prescribed medication without a clinician. Call a licensed mental health provider and set a clear emergency plan with names and numbers. Start a simple daily log, mood rating, hours slept, major stressors, and any substance use. This small habit gives you data and helps clinicians make safe decisions. Once set, share the log with your provider and one trusted person, so you have accountability and early warning signs. Next, engage in therapy proven to help mood stability. Ask your clinician about cognitive behavioral therapy, interpersonal and social rhythm therapy, or family-focused work, because these teach skills to manage mood swings. Parallel to therapy, stabilize daily routines, consistent wake and sleep times, timed meals, and 30 minutes of moderate activity most days. These habits support circadian rhythm and reduce relapse risk. Make sure to coordinate any major changes with your treatment team so they can tailor care safely. Finally, build a clear support and relapse plan. Name who you call for mild warning signs versus urgent crises, list specific early symptoms, and assign actions like calling your clinician or going to the ER. Join a peer support group to reduce isolation and rehearse the plan with your trusted contact. If you notice rapid worsening, escalating mania, or suicidal thoughts, get immediate professional or emergency care. Do not try to manage severe crises alone. Troubleshooting tip: if things worsen, contact emergency services or your prescriber right away.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.